I got 2 more bags from Too Good To Go. This time we have a baked goods bag and a fruit and veggie bag from Metro, and they're both quite heavy, so let's go see what we got. So for $5.99 we got 6 grain bagels, a whole bunch of little mini apple turnovers, some big raspberry filled turnovers, and some adorable little lemon tarts. And the prices on all of these added up to $18. So I guess that is a pretty good savings. And in the fruit and salad, we have here some lovely garden salad, a gorgeous fruit salad, a whole half of a honeydew melon, and some riced cauliflower. And all of this together, we added it up, and it was literally $25. So that actually is quite a steal of a deal. And I have another very heavy Too Good To Go surprise bag to share with you guys. This is the dairy bag from Metro. So let's go see what is in it before I have a heart attack. This is actually a whole lot for a whole little, and we have 3 bags of milk because remember, I'm in Canada and our milk comes in bags. We have a big fruit juice, coffee creamer, something called cooking cream, and a Philadelphia cream cheese icing, 2 of those, and a bunch of yogurts, and even a yogurt I can eat. Look, it's lactose free. Great scores all around. And another bag from Metro. This one is the surprise meat bag, and we don't actually eat a lot of meat in this house. I don't eat any beef or pork, so let's hope there's an awful lot of chicken and turkey in here. Well, as you can see by the amount of pork here, not super lucky for me with this meat bag because it's all pork. We got 4 big packs of bacon, some pork loin chops, some pork sausages, some mild Italian pork sausages, and some pork bones. And yeah, the people in my house who do eat pork are gonna love this, but not me. And I think Mr. Jack, our doggy, will definitely be enjoying those pork bones. If I haven't already convinced you to try Too Good To Go, I don't know. I don't know what's going on in your head because seriously, you cannot go wrong. Every single thing I've tried from there so far has been absolutely awesome. So download the app, see what's in your area, and absolutely enjoy those foods that are just too good to go.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.